Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at staking. Staking in the context of cryptocurrency refers to the process of actively participating in the operation of a blockchain network by locking up or holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations. In return for this participation, users are typically rewarded with additional tokens or coins. Staking is commonly associated with proof-of-stake (POS) and delegated proof-of-stake (DPS) consensus mechanisms. Here are key points to understand about staking in crypto. 1. Proof-of-stake (POS). In POS-based blockchain networks, validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. The more cryptocurrency a user stakes, the higher the chance they have of being selected as a validator to create a new block. 2. Delegated proof-of-stake (DPS). DPS is a variant of POS where users can vote for a limited number of delegates, validators, who will produce blocks and validate transactions. Users can stake their tokens to vote for specific delegates, and those with more stake have a greater influence on the network. 3. Staking process. Users initiate the staking process by locking up a certain amount of their cryptocurrency in a designated staking wallet. This locked-up amount is used as collateral to support network operations and maintain the security of the blockchain. 4. Rewards. Participants in staking are typically rewarded with additional tokens for their contribution to the network. Rewards can be distributed in the form of newly created coins, transaction fees, or a combination of both. 5. Staking pools. Staking pools allow users to combine their resources and stake collectively, increasing the chances of being selected as a validator and receiving rewards. Participants in staking pools share the rewards proportionally based on their contributions. 6. Unstaking period. Staked tokens are often subject to an unstaking or cooldown period during which they cannot be readily withdrawn. This is done to prevent malicious actors from quickly staking and unstaking for short-term gains. 7. Risks. While staking offers potential rewards, it comes with risks. For example, if a validator behaves maliciously or goes offline frequently, there may be penalties, and stackers could lose some or all of their staked tokens. The value of staked tokens is also subject to market fluctuations. 8. Popular staking coins. Some cryptocurrencies that use staking mechanisms include Tezos, XTZ, Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot, DOT. 9. Passive income. Staking provides a way for cryptocurrency holders to earn a passive income by participating in network consensus and supporting the blockchain ecosystem. It's important for users interested in staking to understand the specific rules and mechanisms of the blockchain network they are participating in, as they can vary between different projects. Additionally, users should consider the associated risks and do thorough research before engaging in staking activities.